What's up everyone, this is Rashid from Make and today I'm gonna show you some really weird. See, install updates and then shut down your computer. This is really weird, so I'm gonna off it. So first of all you need to go to control panel, and here you can see okay, so here's the category. You select and large icons, and go to the second. This is administrative tools. I don't know how to pronounce this, but tap on that and go to the service, double tap and go to the end and find updates. So here is Windows Update okay, so stop. This is Windows 8. Okay, so go to the properties and last option is disabled. Disabled. So apply and okay, and yeah, this is gone. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like the video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.